No more tips and tricks. This is the last YouTube video I will make, together with my son, in this case. 10 days ago, I was diagnosed with incurable pancreatic, liver and lymph node cancer. This immediately explained the unbearable pains of the last 6 weeks. Especially the last 2 weeks were so dramatic that, together with my wife, children, doctors and oncologists, I choose for euthanasia. Fortunately, there is legislation in the Netherlands that allows this strictly but humanely. I want to thank those who have fought for this legalization in politics. I realize and respect the strength that religion can give people, but unfortunately it sometimes leads to unnecessary prolonged suffering, polarization and forms of extremism that I cannot support. I am not religious. Thank you very much for your interest in my tips and tricks, and take care. Gerard.